Kiyosaki believes that if you want to achieve financial freedom, you need to learn how to make money, handle it wisely, and invest it. He suggests that you should keep your regular job until you earn enough money from other sources like part-time work, your own business, or investments, so you can quit your job. Kiyosaki also believes that it's never too late to learn about money and considers it an important topic for everyone. According to Kiyosaki, many people confuse their profession with their business. To become financially secure, people need to mind their own business. Your business revolves around your asset column, as opposed to your income column. The rich focus on their asset columns, while the poor and middle class focus on their income columns. If you haven't started your own business yet, Kiyosaki advises getting a job that allows you to develop the skills necessary for entrepreneurship. For example, if you want to open a car shop, consider working at a local vehicle repair company. By doing so, you can learn about the inner workings of the industry. In addition to your assigned tasks, Kiyosaki suggests asking the business owner if you can participate in other projects. This will give you a chance to provide exceptional service and gain a comprehensive understanding of how the company operates. While you're still being paid by someone else, this job will help you determine if the industry is the right fit for you. It's also a valuable learning opportunity where you can make mistakes and learn from them without the added pressure of running your own business. Kiyosaki's success as an entrepreneur can be attributed to his military training, which equipped him with skills such as leadership, quick decision-making, and resilience. These skills, honed during his time in the military, helped him recruit and lead exceptional employees in business ventures. Additionally, his experience working at Xerox not only taught him about marketing but also how to handle rejection and bounce back from setbacks. According to Kiyosaki, many businesses struggle to succeed because they lack effective leadership qualities. Instead of taking responsibility, they tend to blame others for their failures. Kiyosaki believes that blaming others hinders one's ability to be a successful leader. He emphasizes the importance of learning through hands-on experience and suggests seeking jobs that teach you about managing cash flow, processes, and people, rather than solely focusing on high-paying jobs. Kiyosaki advises putting your money to good use, being cautious with what you say, and prioritizing learning over immediate financial gain. To conclude, I would like to share one of my favorite genuine stories from Robert Kiyosaki, along with some of his most memorable quotes. After playing Kiyosaki's cash flow board game, the father realized that simply buying his son a new car would not teach him the value of money and the importance of financial responsibility. Instead, he decided to use this opportunity to teach his son some valuable money management principles. The father sat down with his son and explained that in order to afford a new car, he would need to save up and work for it. He encouraged his son to get a part-time job and start saving a portion of his earnings. The father also emphasized the importance of investing and growing his money over time. By taking this approach, the father was able to teach his son the value of hard work, saving, and delayed gratification. It was a valuable lesson in financial responsibility that would serve the son well in the future. This story highlights Kiyosaki's belief in the importance of financial education and teaching children about money from a young age. He believes that by instilling these principles early on, individuals can develop a strong foundation for financial success. The father's approach to giving his son $3,000 but prohibiting him from immediately using it to buy a car demonstrates the importance of delayed gratification and smart money management. By giving his son a Wall Street Journal subscription, the father is encouraging his son to educate himself about investing and financial markets. The father's advice to his son, to wait until he has accumulated an additional $6,000 in investment income before buying a car, shows the importance of prioritizing long-term financial goals, such as education, over short-term desires. This teaches the son the value of investing and growing his money rather than spending it all at once. Overall, the father's approach is aimed at teaching his son important financial principles, such as delayed gratification, investing, and prioritizing long-term goals. These lessons will help his son develop a strong foundation for financial responsibility and success in the future.